Hello, everyone. My name is Paula Narvaez Agudelo. I am 28 years old. I live in Palmira. I am the psychology student. I live with my husband, my two daughters, and our three cats. In my free time, I like to read personal growth books, listen to instrumental music, and dance Latin music. I have planned for my next vacation go to the beach. We want to go Cancun and see the dolphin beach. Next, I'm going to talk about a recipe that I like. We are going to make some ribs with a Coke. It is a delicious recipe that is also easy and cook to prepare. The ingredients are Coke, one pound ribs, rice, green leaf, spinach, cold one thyme, bacon, and coriander, salt, oil, 1 pound potato, orange. Freeze fall off in a pot. Be add half a liter of Coke and put in on the fryer. When it is boiled, we hand the pound of ribs and let it cook over medium heat about 30 minutes until the Coke is reduced and begin to caramelize. In this way, the ribs will be super soft and sweet. Then we prepare the green rice. 14 we are going to liquefy our green leaf and production to add tea, water to the rice and salt and oil and let it cook until they. Meanwhile, we can make French fry. Finally, we serve everything and accompany it with orange hooks. Thank you.